Make a double stroke text effect with Photoshop CC. Layer styles are one of the most versatile functions in Photoshop. You will use layer styles to add a double stroke to text. Click on File, then New. Select the web most common document size, then click on Create. Go to the Swatches panel and click on a light gray swatch. Now click on the Paint Bucket tool and click inside your document. It should change to gray. Select the Horizontal Type tool on the toolbox. For this exercise, look for a chunky font. We are using Berlin Sans FB Demi, but you might not have this one, so choose another chunky one. Click and type the word adaptation. Along the top is the options bar where you can change the type size. Notice the maximum size is 72. In our example, we clicked on the 72 and typed in 150 for larger type. To change the color, click on the color box. We use the orange color code number F69907. Press OK. Notice your layers in the panel. Click on the Add a Layer Style button. Click on Stroke. The Layer Style dialog box opens. Click on the word Stroke. Copy the settings you see in the image for your picture. Your numbers might have to be changed if you have a different font, but it's okay. Click on the color box and change the color to white. Your type should look like this now. You have one stroke on your image. Now we are going to add a second stroke by clicking on the plus sign. You should see two strokes now. Click on the new word stroke underneath the original. Copy the settings. You have to change the white color to the orange we used for our text. Hex code number F69907. Press OK. Your text should look like this with a double stroke.